How to lock any app on Android? Go to settings, tap on this search bar, search for app lock. So here is the option, tap on it, tap on this app lock. It will ask you to type in your fingerprint before you continue. Tap on this settings icon, tap on this section to enable the app lock. So after you enable the app lock, as you can see now, continue enabling the app lock. So now go back, now select the app you want to lock and tap on this icon to lock the app. Now I'll lock this app. Let's go back. Now it asks me to open the app with my lock. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.